Living in Miami Beach offers unmatched coastal beauty, ocean breezes, and abundant sunshine. But that same environment also presents unique challenges for homeowners. Intense sun exposure, high humidity, salt air, and year-round heat can take a toll on your home, especially your windows. That's why energy-efficient windows aren't just a luxury in Miami Beach. They're an essential investment for comfort, protection, and long-term savings. Combating constant heat and sun exposure, Miami Beach homes are exposed to strong sunlight almost every day of the year. Standard windows allow significant solar heat gain, which can quickly raise indoor temperatures. As a result, air conditioning systems have to work overtime to keep your home comfortable. Energy-efficient windows are designed with features like low emissivity coatings, double or triple pane insulated glass, argon gas fills between panes. Low E coatings reflect infrared heat away from your home while still allowing natural light to enter. This reduces heat buildup without sacrificing brightness. The result is a cooler interior and reduced strain on your HVAC system. Lower cooling costs year-round in many parts of the country. Energy efficiency helps during both winter and summer. In Miami Beach, cooling efficiency is the primary concern nearly all year long. Energy-efficient windows minimize heat transfer, helping maintain consistent indoor temperatures. When less heat enters your home, your air conditioner doesn't have to cycle as frequently or run as long. Over time, this can translate into noticeable savings on monthly utility bills, especially during peak summer months. Protection against humidity and moisture. Coastal humidity is another major factor in Miami Beach. High moisture levels can affect window performance if materials are not properly designed to withstand it. Modern energy-efficient windows often feature moisture-resistant vinyl or fiberglass frames, tight compression seals, advanced weather stripping systems. These features help prevent humid air and rainwater from infiltrating your home. A properly sealed window not only improves energy efficiency but also reduces the risk of mold growth and interior water damage. Resistance to salt air corrosion. Salt air is a constant presence in coastal environments. Over time, it can corrode inferior materials and hardware. Energy-efficient window systems designed for coastal climates often include corrosion-resistant components and durable frame materials that stand up to salt exposure. This durability helps preserve both appearance and performance, reducing maintenance needs over the long term. Improved indoor comfort. Beyond energy savings, energy-efficient windows enhance daily comfort. By reducing heat transfer and eliminating drafts, these windows help maintain stable indoor temperatures. You'll experience fewer hot spots near windows and less discomfort caused by direct sun exposure. Additionally, many energy-efficient windows provide improved sound insulation, helpful in lively Miami Beach neighborhoods. UV protection for interiors. Sunlight doesn't just heat your home, it can also damage your furnishings. Prolonged UV exposure can cause fading in. Flooring, upholstery, curtains, artwork. Low E coatings block a significant portion of harmful UV rays, protecting your interior decor and extending the life of your furnishings. Storm readiness and added value. In Miami Beach, storm protection is always a consideration. Many energy-efficient windows can be paired with impact-resistant glass, offering both thermal performance and hurricane protection. This dual benefit enhances property value and provides added peace of mind during storm season. A smart investment for coastal living. Coastal living in Miami Beach is beautiful, but it demands smart home solutions. Energy-efficient windows address the specific challenges of heat, humidity, salt air, and storm exposure. By reducing cooling costs, improving comfort, protecting interiors, and increasing durability, energy-efficient windows provide long-term value that standard windows simply can't match. For Miami Beach homeowners looking to protect their investment while enjoying greater comfort year-round, upgrading to energy-efficient windows is not just beneficial, it's essential.